The cream sitting on your bathroom shelf right now may be quietly making your wrinkles worse, not because it's doing nothing, but because of what it's actually doing to your skin every single day you apply it. Most women and men over 60 have spent hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars on serums, moisturizers, and anti aging creams, chasing smoother, younger looking skin. And here's what the multi-billion-dollar skincare industry hopes you never discover. Many of those expensive products aren't just failing to fix the problem. They are stripping away the very structural foundation your skin depends on to stay firm, tight, and healthy. The ingredients doing the most damage are the same ones being marketed as miracle breakthroughs, but here's where it gets genuinely interesting. A recent wave of peer-reviewed clinical research has uncovered something the skincare industry cannot bottle and sell to you for $80. A simple, inexpensive solution that you measure out with a single spoon has been shown to rebuild collagen from the inside out, reduce visible wrinkles in as little as 8 weeks, and restore skin elasticity in a way no topical cream can ever match. I'm Dr. Sarah Mitchell, and this channel exists for one reason: to bring you the latest evidence based health information designed specifically for people over 60, without the marketing spin and without the confusing medical jargon. If that sounds like something you need in your life, hit subscribe right now so you never miss our weekly videos. Now let's talk about exactly what's happening to your skin, what's making it worse, and the one spoon solution that clinical science has repeatedly validated. That solution is hydrolyzed collagen peptides. 1 tablespoon, 1 standard scoop of collagen peptide powder, stirred into your morning coffee, water, or smoothie. That's the answer. Simple, affordable, and backed by a growing body of clinical evidence the skincare industry would rather you never see. But before you run to the store, you need to understand why this works so powerfully, because that understanding is what will keep you consistent long enough to see real results. Here's the foundation you need to understand. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the entire human body, making up roughly 30% of your total protein content. Think of it as the scaffolding inside your skin, the invisible framework that holds everything up, keeps it firm, and maintains that smooth, elastic quality you remember from younger decades. Your skin isn't just the outer surface you can see and touch. It's a complex living structure with multiple layers, and the deeper layers are dense with collagen fibers woven together like a net, giving your skin its structure and its strength. Now, here's where age becomes the enemy. Starting around your mid-20s, your body's natural collagen production begins to decline at roughly 1% every single year. That sounds small, but do the math. By the time you reach 60, you may have lost 35% or more of your skin's collagen. By 70, losses above 45% are common. This is not a gradual, gentle change. This is a structural collapse happening beneath the surface of your skin. Wrinkles aren't just surface dryness or dehydration. They are the visible result of that internal scaffolding, breaking down layer by layer. Here's something most people don't realize about the creams they're faithfully applying every single day. And this part should genuinely concern you. The skin's outermost layer, called the epidermis, acts as a sophisticated protective barrier. It is remarkably effective at keeping external substances out, including most of what you apply on top of it. Collagen molecules are enormous. They are physically too large to penetrate through the epidermis into the dermal layers where rebuilding actually needs to happen. When a cream advertises that it contains collagen, it cannot deliver that collagen to where the damage is occurring. The molecule simply cannot pass through. So what are you actually putting on your face? In many cases, a moisturizing film that sits on the surface and temporarily plumps the appearance of skin by trapping water, while doing absolutely nothing to address the underlying structural loss. But that's not even the most worrying part. Many popular anti-aging creams and serums contain exfoliating acids, glycolic acid, salicylic acid, retinol in high concentrations, and various chemical peeling agents. Manufacturers market this as accelerating cell turnover, as renewal, as revealing fresh skin. And when used correctly and infrequently, certain forms of these ingredients do have real benefits. The problem is daily, chronic use. When you repeatedly break down your skin's outer barrier, you trigger a persistent, low-grade inflammatory response in the underlying tissue. and chronic inflammation in the dermis accelerates collagen degradation. A 2022 review published in Clinical Cosmetic and Investigational Dermatology confirmed that barrier disruption related inflammation is one of the primary drivers of dermal collagen breakdown in aging skin. You may be paying $150 a month to trigger the very biological process that is destroying your skin structure. Margaret was 67 years old when she first brought this to my attention. She had been using a premium anti-aging serum morning and night for 4 years straight, spending roughly $150 a month on it. Her skin felt perpetually tight and dry. She had developed increasing redness she had chalked up to sensitive skin, and her wrinkles, despite 4 faithful years of daily use, had gotten noticeably deeper around her mouth and eyes. When we reviewed her routine, the serum combined high-concentration retinol with 2 separate exfoliating acids. She had been unknowingly sustaining an inflammatory cycle in her dermis every single day. Within 2 months of discontinuing that product, replacing it with a gentle ceramide moisturizer, and starting collagen peptide supplementation, her redness had cleared and her family was commenting on how her skin looked different. So let's talk about why oral collagen peptides work where topical products fail. This is the mechanism that makes all the difference. When you consume hydrolyzed collagen peptides, the protein is broken down during digestion into smaller amino acid chains, particularly proline, glycine, and hydroxyproline. These 3 amino acids are the precise raw building blocks that your skin's fibroblast cells use to manufacture new collagen. Your bloodstream absorbs them and transports them directly to the dermis. You are giving your body the exact materials it needs to do the rebuilding from the inside, where the problem actually lives. The research here is not preliminary. It is not fringe nutrition science. A landmark 2014 double-blind placebo-controlled study published in Skin Pharmacology and Physiology followed 69 women between 35 and 55 years old. Women taking 2.5 grams of specific collagen peptides daily for 8 weeks showed a statistically significant 30% improvement in skin elasticity compared to the placebo group. Those results persisted 4 weeks after supplementation ended. A follow-up trial using 5 grams daily in women over 50 showed measurable reductions in wrinkle depth around the eye area. Then in 2021, a systematic review published in the Journal of Drugs and Dermatology analyzed 11 separate randomized controlled trials covering over 800 participants. The conclusion across all 11 studies was consistent. Oral collagen peptide supplementation significantly improved skin hydration, elasticity, and wrinkle depth. These are not testimonials from a brand ambassador. These are independent, peer-reviewed, placebo-controlled trials. Comment below right now and tell me your age and what anti-aging skincare products you're currently using. I want to see where people in our community are starting from. Now, here's something critical that most people miss entirely, and missing it will cut your results dramatically. So stay with me on this next part. Vitamin C is not optional for collagen rebuilding. It is a biological requirement. Your fibroblast cells cannot construct new collagen fibers without adequate vitamin C available. It is the essential cofactor for the enzymes that weave the collagen structure together. Research from Oregon State University's Linus Pauling Institute confirmed that even mild vitamin C insufficiency, which is significantly more common in adults over 60 than most physicians realize, can stall new collagen synthesis almost entirely, even when amino acid supply is adequate. Taking collagen peptides without sufficient vitamin C is like having all the lumber delivered to build a house but no nails. The materials are present. Construction cannot proceed. Frank was 72 and had been taking a collagen supplement for 3 full months with almost no visible results. He was frustrated and close to quitting. When we reviewed his diet, he was eating very little fresh fruit and minimal vegetables. His vitamin C intake was genuinely low, even by conservative standards. We added a straightforward vitamin C supplement to his daily routine. 6 weeks later, his wife had noticed something different about his face. The crepey texture around his neck had smoothed. His jawline looked firmer. The collagen was always ready to be built. He simply needed the cofactor to unlock the process. Now here's the exact protocol you should follow. Every morning, mix 1 tablespoon of hydrolyzed collagen peptides powder, one standard scoop, which is typically 10 to 12 grams, into your morning coffee, tea, or warm water. It dissolves almost completely in warm liquids and is essentially tasteless. You are looking specifically for hydrolyzed collagen peptides, also labeled as collagen hydrolysate or collagen peptides. This is not gelatin. This is not plain bone broth powder, though bone broth does contain some collagen precursors. You want the specifically hydrolyzed form because that processing pre-breaks the protein into the smaller chains your digestive system can absorb most efficiently and deliver to your tissues fastest. On the product label, look for either a USP verified seal, not meaning an independent testing body verified the product's purity and contents, or the phrase third party tested. Both phrases signal you're getting a product that actually contains what it claims. Major brands, including Vital Proteins, Sports Research, and Ancient Nutrition, all produce hydrolyzed collagen peptide powders that are widely available at Walmart, Target, Costco, and Amazon. A full month's supply typically costs between $20 and $40, a fraction of most premium skincare products. Take it every morning without exception. Consistency matters far more than perfect timing. The studies that produced measurable results used daily supplementation for a minimum of 8 weeks without interruption. Set a realistic expectation. You will likely begin noticing improvements in skin texture and firmness between weeks 8 and 12. Some people notice improvements in joint comfort earlier, as joints are a higher biological priority for collagen delivery than skin. Simultaneously, begin taking 500 milligrams of vitamin C daily with breakfast. The most gentle and bioavailable forms for adults over 60 are ascorbic acid or sodium ascorbate. Both are clearly labeled at any pharmacy. Take it with your collagen at the same meal for simplicity. You do not need a large dose. 500 milligrams daily is what the research supports for collagen synthesis support, and larger amounts do not proportionally improve results. A few important cautions before you start. If you have a documented fish allergy, avoid marine-derived collagen and choose bovine collagen instead. The source will be clearly stated on the label. If you are currently taking blood thinners, have a kidney condition, or have any history of hypercalcemia, please speak with your doctor before adding any new protein supplement to your routine, as higher amino acid intake can interact with those conditions. Side effects from collagen peptides are rare. The most commonly reported is mild digestive discomfort in the first 2 or 3 days, which resolves on its own as your digestive system adjusts. Regarding your current skincare routine, if any product you're using produces redness, stinging, visible peeling, or prolonged tightness, discontinue it. These are clear signs of barrier disruption. Replace it with a simple, fragrance-free moisturizer that contains ceramides. Look for that word specifically on the ingredient label. Ceramides reinforce and restore your skin barrier rather than degrading it. CeraVe and Vanicream both offer excellent, inexpensive ceramide moisturizers available at any drugstore. If you've been using expensive anti-aging creams for years and haven't seen the results you were promised, I want you to comment below. Tell me what you've been using and how long. You would be genuinely surprised how many people in this community are going through the exact same experience, and your comment could save someone else hundreds of dollars. Here is the bottom line on everything we covered today. Topical collagen creams cannot deliver collagen to where your skin needs it. The molecule is too large to penetrate the epidermal barrier. Many popular anti-aging products actively worsen collagen loss by disrupting that barrier and triggering chronic inflammation in the dermis. Hydrolyzed collagen peptides taken orally, 10 to 12 grams every morning, combined with 500 milligrams of daily vitamin C, is the approach that 11 independent randomized controlled trials have validated for improving skin elasticity, hydration, and wrinkle depth in aging adults. It costs a fraction of what most people spend on creams, and it works where creams fundamentally cannot. If you're ready to start this today, comment "starting this" below so I can see who's taking action. If this opens your eyes to something you wish you'd known sooner, comment "wish I'd known," because that community reaction tells me this information is reaching people who genuinely need it. And if you're going to share this with a friend or family member who is spending good money on ineffective products, comment "sharing this." If this video helped you, make sure you're subscribed because next week we are covering the one mineral that over 80% of adults over 60 are deficient in, a deficiency that silently accelerates aging faster than almost any other factor, and one that most standard blood panels will completely miss. You'll want to see that one. I'm Dr. Sarah Mitchell. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video.